Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Corky's World channel. I'm Corky as always, and welcome back to the Flame in the Flood on the Game Pass Patio. Yeah, it's a Game Pass game. We're gonna hop back on the boat with glasses, the Specs the dog, and we're gonna keep pushing on. Oh, I won't be going to that campsite. No, sorry. Light on splice. Love seeing that. Oh, is there anything? Do I have like? Nope, nothing can be crafted. Craft a snare to catch rabbits. Do I have a snare? Nope. They weren't lying when they said light on supplies. Ain't a damn thing here. The quilt of Big John Boar. Big John Boar kept his own counsel, had his own opinions about things. The more facts presented proved contrary. Though the more he'd dig in deeper, that's what they want you to think he'd fuss. Never rightly could say who they were supposed to be, but stayed put just the same. Alright. Get out of here. I need a stone knife. What do I need to make a stone knife? Flint. Oh shit. Rain is coming. The rain to the wind said, "You push and I'll pelt." They so smote the garden bed that the flowers actually knelt, and lay lodged, though not dead. I know how the flowers flow. All right, Robert Frost. As rain gets closer, seek shelter and wait for it to pass. If you get wet, use a shelter to kindle and dry off. All right. All right, so we need to go in here. Alright, the rain passed. That's nice. Yucca. I can't, like, search it for anything. I don't have any food. Oh, I do have food. Consume. Okay. Raft schematic. Oh, Aesop is the name of the guy with us. What a neat game. Move to raft. Move to raft. Move to raft. It said consume. Consume Prilosec! I don't want to make either of those. Let's go, Aesop. Oh, no crafting while on the boat. There's something over there. And there we shall get. Oh shit. Except for she's out of stamina. Oh, but it came back pretty quick. Farmstead, a source of wild food and clean water. Good, she's thirsty. Awesome. Oh, awesome. Yeah. Just some fucking crazy ass harmonica musings. Oh my god. I don't want to fight, please. Oh my god. Oh my god. He is mad. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. It's still going. Yeah. I was like, that's probably not stopping. Oh my god. Alright. Like, he's not gonna follow us into the next area, right? Eat too many and you'll get the scoots. Bork, bork. Alright, what's that mean? Oh, we're gonna die. Oh, thank God we cured it, but still. Yeah, consume all of them, whatever. Alright. We are beat up. This game is good. That farm was bad. How do I craft a splint? Oh, I need a stone knife, so I still need flint, which I haven't seen like ever. Yeah. Oh! Please, let me craft the damn knife. Awesome. Okay. Oh, I have this forever now. Awesome. Or till it wears down in durability. Yes. So I got another one though. Oh shit, is a storm coming? Yep, it is. Oh, well, I don't need it. Let's wait out the storm. Oh shit, that's another episode. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing if you did. I'm still having fun with this, so I think we're gonna push this to an episode 3. It's just a really cool, interesting game. So guys, always remember to be good to yourself. Or first of all, yeah, guys, always remember to be good to yourself, be good to each other, and I will see you in the next episode. Later days.